Hello everyone, this is my video for our data mining project for Big Data class. For my project, I decided to analyze user reviews on the website Metacritic for the video game Assassin's Creed 3 for the Xbox 360. I chose this game because Assassin's Creed 3, they come out with a new game every year. So if the developer decided to mine these user reviews, they could probably come up with better ideas for the next year's game. So the next step I did is I took all 256 user reviews and I processed those documents through RapidMiner. And here are some of the results that I got. So some of the top results for words used in these user reviews are story, good. You also have combat, Connor, who's the main character of the game, great. Assassin's Creed, which is the name of the game, fun, glitches, Ubisoft, which is the developer, the graphics bugs, and if you go down a little farther, so we also have bad and boring. The next step I did was I took all the user reviews and separated them into three categories: bad, mixed, and good reviews. This was based on the numerical value that the user gave the game. A 0 through 4 is a bad review, a 5 or 6 is a mixed review, and a 7 through 10 is a good review. So first, I just ran all the bad reviews through RapidMiner to see if maybe we could find out what the people who didn't like about the game, what they didn't like about it. So we have story, which was there too. We have boring. People found the game boring. Characters, maybe they didn't like the characters in the story. So boring has a value of 28 times. The missions, maybe they didn't like the missions in the game. The combat with 21 occurrences. We also have glitches and bad and bugs. Also, we have money, which isn't a very large amount in any of the mixed or good reviews. So maybe they believe that the game just was too expensive for what they were getting. Alright, here are the results for the mixed reviews. As you can see, we still have story. Missions is very high. Combat, which has 38 occurrences, which is up from the 21 in the bad reviews. We also have fun, which was not seen as one of the top results in the bad reviews, which is obvious. We still have bad and glitches as well. Alright, here are the results for the good reviews. As you can see, we still have story as one of the top total occurrences. We have good, very high at 101 occurrences. We have combat again, but again, the total occurrences of the term combat has jumped way up from 38 to 79. We also have fun with 66 occurrences. A new addition to one of the top results is graphics, which weren't mentioned very high in the bad or the mixed reviews. And we still also have glitches as one of the top occurrences. So apparently one of the main issues with the game is that there are significant glitches in the game. The next step for my project, I decided to create some association rules between the words. So I'm back to using the entire user review set, and here are some of the results I got. I categorize them by the lift ratio, which is the confidence divided by the benchmark confidence, and we see some of the top results we have here. We have, great Assassin's Creed game, story combat Assassin's Creed game, and then we can also take a look at this in a graphical view. So we can look at game and see what kind of results we get. As you can see, there's a lot of association with the word game. We have anything from bad, to Connor, who's one of the main characters of the game, to combat, to play, story, fun, characters, graphics, glitches again, and so the next step I was going to do is perform the same analysis using, again, the bad category, the mixed category, and the good category. Alright, here's one of the more interesting results underneath the bad category. This is for the associations with Ubisoft, which is the developer of Assassin's Creed 3. We can see that disappointed in the characters is one of the association, along with Connor, who's the main character. So apparently the people who didn't like the game did not enjoy the character of Connor in the game. You can also see this if you look under character as well. You can see Ubisoft Connor, story. Look under Connor again. So character disappointed in Connor. So the people who did not like the game did not really enjoy the main character of Connor in this game. Alright, here are some of the interesting results from the mixed reviews for the associations with fun. We have the combat, the story, run and running from the series is the main character is very acrobatic and can run along rooftops and obstacles and sorts of things, so they found that very fun. And we can look at combat. You can see the mechanics of it, and also with fun. So the combat with the guards who you would be fighting in the game is has an association there. Alright, here's some of the results from the good reviews. As we can see with the association for story, we have fun, good, combat, play, great, gameplay. Look through some of the other ones. Good characters from Assassin's Creed games. Missions, decrease the criterion value here. So the story side missions is something that's been mentioned a lot in the good reviews. Apparently people who like the game enjoy the side missions, not just the main story of the game. Alright. As you can see, there's lots of associations, and these are some of the major findings I have from my analysis. I will be able to get more in depth with my my paper, so I hope you enjoyed my results and my research. Thank you very much.